I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've been charged incorrectly on DoorDash, getting a refund can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account where the incorrect charge occurred. Step 2. Access order history. Tap on the Orders tab at the bottom of the screen to view your past orders. Locate the order that has the wrong charge. Step 3. Select the order. Once you find the order, tap on it to open the details. Look for the option to report an issue or request a refund. Step 4. Describe the issue. Follow the prompts to describe the incorrect charge. Be specific about what was wrong, such as being charged for an item you didn't receive. Step 5. Submit your requests. After filling in the details, submit your refund request. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. Keep an eye on your email for updates on your request. Remember, if you accidentally select the wrong order, you might end up waiting for a refund on the wrong charge. Double check the order details before submitting. I hope this helps you get your refund quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.